Hey, all. My name is Paul Borosky, and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some updates that I've made to my cleaning company business plan template using artificial intelligence or AI. And yeah, so that's pretty much what we're going to be doing. I'm showing you some updates, and once we're done with that, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a game. All right, before we get into that, let me go ahead and tell you a little bit about me, and then we'll talk about the cleaning company and the updates that I've made. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate. I am also a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials, and tribulations of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to write the business plan for you. I'm also a business mentor as well as business consultant. So if you need some assistance in understanding your financials, creating financial models, creating or executing your strategic plans, again, just pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist in those areas as well. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor as well as subject matter expert for both business and finance. So if your business plan is good to go, however, those financial projections are just locking you up and you just can't get over that hill, again, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to assist on that area as well. All right, enough with this. Let's go ahead and zip through the little presentation. The first update that I made is I added a section to the title page where y'all can go ahead and insert your company logo. So typically or previously, what I would do is I just have cleaning company on the title, and just underneath the title page, the cleaning company, I'd have business plan. And right now, I've got a placeholder logo. So where it says cleaning company, all you have to do is just put your name, and then you can insert your logo here or keep this logo, completely up to you. And then underneath business plan, I'd leave that there just to let the reader know what the document is and set their expectations. The second update that I made to the cleaning company business plan template is, instead of just listing the commercial and residential routine cleanings and one-time cleanings, I went ahead and used artificial intelligence and had it generate, just a general discussion as to what your commercial and residential cleanings may entail, and then also what your one-time cleanings may entail as well. So use artificial intelligence to generate these few sentences, and it gives you all a little bit more of a starting point to go ahead and modify and utilize for your cleaning or janitorial services company. And then a final update that I made is, well, I mean, any business plan that's worth its salt is going to have updated industry research. So what I did is I went to the company that I use for the industry research, IBIS World, and I obtained their janitorial services report. And from that report, I extrapolated important information. I updated the business plan template. So now the cleaning company, a business plan template, has up-to-date industry research for 2024. Some of the segments that I updated was, some revenues, profits, profit margins, revenue growth, historical as well as projected, and number of businesses. All right, so hopefully this information is going to be helpful. And so, yeah, let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.